Alright, what we have here is a Maytag side-by-side refrigerator. Customer complains that it's not cooling properly and the ice maker is not working. Opening the door, we can see that we have a lot of frost along the back panel. We've removed all the drawers, and what we're going to do is tear this back wall behind here, exposing the evaporator coil and identifying what the failed part is. Alright, we've removed the slides for the drawers, and we have the ice maker nearly disassembled. We're now going to pull the ice maker off and the auger motor back there off, fully exposing the back panel. Alrighty, the ice maker has been removed. What we're going to do now is remove the auger motor. It has 4 screws here. Removing that will expose this back portion and let us get to the final screws where we can remove the back panel. Alright, we've taken out the auger motor and the light bulb assembly. We've also disconnected here at the quick connect harness. We've also unplugged the machine. You can see 7 screws, 1 at the top, 3 down each side. We're going to remove those screws and remove the back panel. Alrighty, as you can see, we do have a defrost issue. This machine is not going into automatic defrost. The 3 components we're going to look at are the defrost timer, which is in the refrigerator section. Right here we're going to look at the bimetal thermostat, which is located along the back wall. 2 gray wires right here are the 2 leads going to the heating elements. This machine uses 2 heating elements, one right there in the center, one right there located at the bottom. So what we're going to do is we are going to check a simple continuity check for the heating element to see if we have bad heating elements, and then we're also going to do a continuity check on the bimetal thermostat. Okay, what we have here, your bimetal thermostat, the white wire going to the blue wire at the terminal. We've placed our lead into the blue wire terminal. Checking here at the white terminal, you can see that we do have continuity, indicating that this thermostat is good. Alright, and here we've done the same thing. We've placed the meter lead into one end of the heating element. We're now going to, with the other lead, place it at the other end of the heating element terminal. Since you don't hear the tone, it's indicating that you have an open circuit, meaning the heating element has been shorted and is not completing the circuit. We have a bad heating element. Alright, as you can see, we've thawed out the evaporator coil using our handheld steamer. And to remove the 2 heating elements in this particular unit, you have to bend back the outer rail. On both sides. From here, we'll take off the 1/4-inch screws and the brackets that hold it onto the evaporator coil itself, and we'll remove the heating elements from the system. Alright, we've removed the heating elements. We have them set side by side with the new ones. This particular heating element is the 6100 1846. It's commonly used on a Maytag machine, a Mana, as well as Magic Chef. Here we have the old elements in the 2 terminals. Simple continuity check. As you can see, we are not getting any indicator indicating that there is an open circuit. Moving over to our new heating element. You can hear that we have a closed circuit. With this particular set of heating elements, what we'll have to do is take the old elements off the brackets using the connections here and reinstalling the new ones on the old brackets. Alrighty, so we've installed the new heating elements. We've tucked the lines back behind the outer panel to keep them out of the way. We've also pushed back the outside rails there back to their original position. We've plugged in the heating element up here to the terminal plate located in the back. The two gray wires, of course, one of them is going to be connected to the thermostat. The other one, which is the yellow wire, is going to be connected to the power source. And now we can put this thing back together. Alrighty, we've got the back panel back on, as well as the auger motor. What we're going to do is turn the power on and get the machine cooling back down while we're completing the reassembly. Alrighty, as you can see, we've reassembled all the components. We've turned the settings on the freezer and the refrigerator back to halfway, and we are good to go. Advise the customer to give it a few hours before they start putting food back in here, or at least before they go spend a few $100s shopping.